beautiful, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very beautiful, very soft eyeshadow. So if you're looking for an everyday eyeshadow look that you can wear out to your party, something that just enhances the look, this is the eyeshadow for you. I did go in with a brown concealer. Yes, the concealer you use for contour, use it on the eyelids. Next, I went into that soft brown eyeshadow to set that brown, okay? And I'm making sure to blend it because that's basically the eyeshadow we're going to be using. So once you just apply this, honestly, you're actually good to go anywhere. The brows are done, the eyeshadows is soft so that it's not looking too crazy. Afterwards, I did go in with a black eyeliner just to define the eyes even more, as you can see. And I did go in to create a very sharp wing liner. So after this, you're good to go. Just apply your lashes and go. But for this look, I actually took it up a notch further. So in case you're going for a date night, I've got you covered. But first, let's apply mascara, coat the lashes. Please pardon me, guys. I always apply my lashes at the end of the look. So please, if you want to see the full look, please head over to our Instagram. So I'm taking this glitter glue right now, and I'm just going to apply that on the lid. Yep. Yes, just for some pop of color, just for some glow. Can you see? It helps take the look up a notch. Yes, just very tiny, very little, and very not extra, but you see how it takes the look from 0 to 100. That's the goal, that's the idea. So afterwards, I went in to sharpen the lines on the gel liner. Please follow us on Instagram at _beautyhq. And subscribe to the channel and kindly give this video a big thumbs up, okay? So I'm taking that black gel liner to smoke the lower line, after which I went in with a brown to further smoke it up. So you can see that the eyes are defined and the eyeshadow is very soft. Beautiful. Yes, now I'm going to use the brown and pop that in, and afterwards we're completely done. Like I said, I put the lashes every time at the end of the look, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video, please make sure to stay beautiful. Bye-bye.